It was a heavy, rainy morning, and I was just a little kid heading to elementary school. I dreaded the idea of stepping out into the rain, but my dad, being the superhero he is, had a plan to make it an adventure. We put on our raincoats, or should I say, my dad wore a raincoat that was shaped like a cape. We affectionately called it the Superman raincoat because it made him look like a real life superhero. And guess what? I felt like I was his sidekick. With my little body snuggled under the shelter of his cape, I couldn't see a thing outside. I had no clue how close we were to school or where we were going. It was a mystery ride, and that made it all the more exciting. As we zoomed through the rain-soaked streets on my dad's motorcycle, I couldn't help but shout, "Where have we been, Dad?" The sound of my own voice echoing in the rain-filled air made me burst into fits of laughter. It was the funniest thing in the world. That simple, joyful moment is etched deep in my heart. It's a memory that still brings a smile to my face, even after all these years. It was about more than just getting to school. It was about the bond between a father and his daughter, the magic of turning a rainy day into an adventure. As we celebrate Father's Day, I cannot help but feel a thing of nostalgia. I miss those carefree, innocent days when a ride in the rain with my dad was the most exciting thing in the world. It's a memory I hold dear, a reminder of the love and happiness we shared. So let's cherish those special moments with our dads, the ones that may seem small but hold a world of joy. Whether it's a ride in the rain or any other precious memory, let's remember to hold them close and let our fathers know just how much they mean to us. And that wraps up our emotional Father's Day story. I hope it brought back memories of those happy, heartwarming moments spent with your dad. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, let's celebrate the superheroes in our lives, our amazing fathers. Happy Father's Day!